morning students. Today in this video we'll begin with our chapter 8 in EVS and the name of the chapter is an ideal house. The name of the chapter is an ideal house. So let's begin. We all live in a house with our family members. We live in a house with our family members. We live with our parents, grandparents, uncle, aunts. So they all are our family members and we live with them in a house. A house is our basic need. The way we need food and water, in same way we need house also to live, because it also protects us from heat, cold, rain. It also protects us from animals and thieves. We should take care of our house just as we take care of each other. The way we take care of each other, in the same way we should take care of our house. Look at the pictures of the room of the two houses. Which one would you prefer? You can see two pictures. In these two pictures are different. This room is messy. Everything is scattered here and there, but this room is neat and clean. Everything is kept at its proper place. So which room would you prefer? I think everybody will prefer second room. And a clean and well furnished room. We all should keep our house clean. We should keep our house clean. A good house is free from mosquitoes, house flies, cockroaches, rats and insects. If house is clean and tidy, it will be free from mosquitoes, house flies, cockroaches, rats and insects. We stay healthy if our house is free from dust, flies and all sorts of insects. We stay healthy and safe if our house is safe from dust, flies and all sorts of insects. If there is no dust, no flies and insects coming inside your house, you will remain healthy and your house will also remain clean. So we should clean our house in order to stay healthy. We also decorate our house with many things like paintings, wall hangings, vase, etc. We all decorate our house. Some people use paintings, wall hanging, vase. We keep furnitures like sofa, bed and almirahs in the house. We also keep sofa, bed and almirah in the house. A house also has a television, a refrigerator, fans, lights and air conditioner or cooler. A house also has a television, there is a refrigerator, we also use fans, lights and AC or coolers. All these things are found in our house. We should take good care of everything present in our house. We should take good care, means we should take care of everything which is present in our house. We will stay healthy if we keep our house clean. As you know, we will stay healthy if we will keep our house clean. We can follow the ways given below to keep our house clean. We can follow following things to keep our house clean. First, dusting the furniture and cleaning the rooms regularly. If we dust our furniture and clean our rooms regularly, our house will remain clean. Throwing all the waste in dustbins only. We should throw all the waste in dustbins only. Keeping dirty dishes in the kitchen after eating food. If you are eating food in dishes, you should keep that dirty dishes in the kitchen after eating your food. Keeping your belongings or our belongings at proper place. We should keep our belongings at proper place. We should not scatter it here and there or leave wherever we play with them. We should keep it at its proper place. Keeping the toilet clean at all times to keep the house germ free. We should keep our toilet clean to keep it germ free. If our toilet won't be clean, there will be germs in our house. So we should also keep our house, your toilet clean to keep it germ free. An ideal house should have the following feature. It should get enough sunlight and fresh air. A house should also get fresh air and sunlight. Then only it will be called an ideal house. It should have clean drinking water supply. A clean drinking water supply should be there. Water should be fit for drinking, not dirty, because dirty water again will make us sick. It should be clean and comfortable. It should be clean and it should be comfortable. It should have lots of trees around. There should be lots of trees around so that we can breathe fresh air. It should be well decorated and have properly painted walls. It should be decorated well. It should be clean and walls should be painted properly. It should have sufficient light. There should be sufficient supply of light, or all the rooms should be having sufficient light. That house is called an ideal house. Now that's all for today. We'll continue this chapter in our next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.